Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified, helping you develop the skills you need for today's technology driven workplace. Our video today is why technology skills are important. So, in today's world, technology is deeply woven into nearly every aspect of our lives. Whether it's social media, healthcare, business, or education, technology plays a key role in driving progress and change. With the rise of digital technology and an increased need for technologically proficient people in almost every job, learning technology skills are very important. A career in technology can be rewarding, but where do you start? How do you know what technologies to learn to secure a job? In today's tech driven workplace, employers expect job candidates to be familiar with a variety of technology tools for productivity, data analysis, development, automation, and collaboration. So, what are some of the top skills you should learn? Start out data analysis is the ability to interpret and analyze data, helps businesses make informed decisions, improve performance, and track progress. Computer skills are any technology skills that may involve anything from typing to knowing how to use Microsoft Office to installing software on an office computer. Cloud computing is critical today. It refers to the delivery of computing services such as storage, processing power, databases, networking, software, and analytics over the internet, or as it's common called today, the cloud. Cybersecurity is really important today. It's become a critical skill for anyone working in technology, business, and healthcare. AI or artificial intelligence is rapidly growing in the technology field. It's about creating systems that can learn and make decisions that have applications in nearly every industry from healthcare to entertainment. Video design and editing is becoming incredibly important. It requires the conceptualization, the production, editing, and distribution of digital video content, which is important for almost every aspect of business. User experience or the user interface are incredible important jobs. The folks that do these jobs actually put the front and the face on a product or the media. So it's important for websites and social media to have a great experience for the users. So these people are the ones that make those designs. And digital marketing, of course, is used by every business. It refers to the promotion of brands, products, and services through digital technology. So whether it's on Facebook, X, there's a need to make digital marketing an important aspect of every job today. So 5 reasons why you can start a career in technology. So job security is very at the top of the list here, and because careers in tech are known for being recession resistant. There's a high earning potential for tech jobs. There's flexibility, remote work. So many jobs offer the ability to work from home, which gives you a greater work-life balance. There's great opportunities. So whether you're interested in creative work, problem solving, or product management, technology offers a wide range of opportunities. And there's a great chance that if you're working in technology, you're going to be doing something that's going to impact other people, other businesses, and have an opportunity to be innovative and maybe make things a lot easier for people to get their jobs done. So, the benefits of technology careers, such as high earning potential, job security, and the ability to work on meaningful projects, makes it appealing for many, many people. Technology offers a wide range of opportunities for those interested in innovation, problem solving, and working in a rapid environment. And technology is changing all the time. So, whether you're just starting out or are considering a career change, there are many ways to learn and develop the skills needed to thrive in technology today. So, be sure to like and follow our channel for how to videos to help you develop the technology skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.